Alright, what we got here is Graco linelazer 3400. Here's the pump repair kit. Here's the part number. Once you disassemble your pump, take everything out. Here's the lower housing. There's a white washer goes right in there. Take the metal washer. Throw right in there. Get the big ball, comes in the kit, and this piece and that washer doesn't come into the kit. Goes right in there. Here it is. And then we got the piston. Small ball goes in there. This is the first one, metal, and this is the flat. Comes with the new kit. Goes back flat. Put that in. And just screw it. This is the lower packing nuts. Place this. Torque this to the 27 pounds. This is the top bushings. This is from top, the big one, and the small one goes down. Right in there. Packing nuts. Screw this. Take this. You put your washer. Sleeve, push it in the back, tie this baby, and you're good to go.